Guys, welcome back to my page. Today I wasn't planning on doing this video, but I thought I've got to try and maybe capture this moment just for my own records, if anything, and for anyone out there who may be potentially thinking about getting their E39 restored, because today I want to talk about my 2001 E39 540i, which I've owned since 2018. I haven't driven it much in the last 2 years. I think I've probably done about 500 miles on it. But today's is a special day because I've finally got it booked in to have some paint work done, to have some mechanical work done. Like I said, it's just been parked up for the past 2 years. And there's no better time than now, especially as I'm going on holiday on Saturday. And summer's around the corner. Obviously doesn't look like it quite just yet, but summer's around the corner. I thought no better time than just to get it all revamped, get it tightened up a little bit, and that's it. So let me show you around the car real quick. So here we are, sitting on BC racing coilovers. The paintwork is generally in good condition. I'm having the front bumper painted, and let this be a note to yourselves: don't buy cheap touch-up paint, because I don't know what happened, but it turned into an absolute disaster. A bit of touch-up paint, I don't know if it reacted or whatever. So the front bumper will be getting painted. The bonnet I'm not so sure about at the moment, but the bonnet's, I mean, maybe I can get it buffed up quite nice, we'll see. Obviously we've got the aftermarket yellow fog lights on there, we've got the black grills. The badge was original, but it's just faded in the sun, to be fair. Sitting on parallels, as you can see. I'll show you the interior in just a moment. Sitting quite nice, to be fair. And now, back in 2022, I believe, we had the timing chain guides replaced. As many of you will know, with these V8s, the timing chain guides can be a nightmare, very costly. I had it repaired at a specialist in Hayes, London, P&R BMW specialist. Some of you may know them. All genuine parts. Current mileage on this now, 130,000 miles. 3 previous owners. The interior, I had it cleaned and buffed up about 18 months ago. Like I said, hasn't really been driven. No one ever sits in the back, to be fair. Oh, it would be help if I opened it. There we go. So clean. So my plans for this, some tie rods need replacing. Tie rods need replacing, a couple of the bushes. Front and rear bumpers will be painted. A little bit of rust on the arch here, as you can see, which is probably the worst of it on the whole car, to be fair. The rear bumper will get a paint. I want to have the tints removed. I may even go back to having the original chrome grills put back on, the clear side repeaters, maybe get rid of the aftermarket tinted ones. But yeah, that's about it really. Just want to give it a little bit of a spruce up. I don't know if I'm going to keep this car or not, to be honest with you. Maybe I'll just drive it around for the summer. Got some of the shows coming up, and maybe it'll be nice to get it back out once again. But I'll be back and I'll let you know how it all goes. Peace.